now finding the sum of a geometric series, sequence. This is the same example that we did previously. So, all right, so in this technique, the first step, well, after we notice it, it's a geometric pattern because the numbers all increase by a multiple of 2 every time. So after that, what we want to do is write out the sum, S, so 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus ... plus 12,288. And now we're going to multiply S by 2 and write that underneath. So when I multiply everything in this original kind of sequence by 2, the first number that we would have is 2 times 3, which is 6. And I'm going to write that underneath the 6 that we already have. All right, 6 times 2 is 12. And then we would have 24, etc., ... And then eventually we're going to have the 12,288. And then the 2 times that, which is 24,576. All right, so you can see that I've kind of lined them up vertically so that the terms match up. So now what we do after that is we're going to subtract. So we're taking this original part S and we're subtracting 2S from it. All right, so what does that leave us with? So clearly S minus 2S is going to be negative S, right? We have, kind of moving left to right, 3 minus 0 would still be 3, of course. And then 6 minus 6, that goes away to 0. Likewise, 12 minus 12 goes away to 0. So that leaves us with the only thing left is the very last term, which is the 24,576. All right. So I guess, sorry, that should be a minus there, not a plus. Right, because we're oops, undo that. That should be a minus there because we're subtracting. So I just wrote that wrong. Where is it? Minus. There we go. All right. So now we grab our calculator and we do 3 minus 24,576. And that gives negative 24,573, which is, of course, equal to the negative S on the left-hand side. So the last step, because we want to know, right, we said that this sum up here is equal to S. So if we want to know what S is, not negative S, then of course we divide each side by -1 and get that our sum S is equal to 24,576. So again, what does that mean? That is the sum of this that we started with. All right.